Good morning, children. Here is the revision of midterm 2020-21 session, class 9th, lesson Heron's formula. First is MCQ based questions. First one, the length of three sides of a triangle are 20 cm, 16 cm and 12 cm. The area of the triangle. Now for this, three sides of the triangle is given, means you have to find the semi-perimeter, that is S, and then the area of the triangle by using square root of Heron's formula, that is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and then put the value of A, B, C. A is 20 cm, B is 16 cm and C is 12 cm. Then you will get the area, and which area you are getting out of these four options you see, and that will be the correct answer. After that, the second question is, in a triangle it is given that the base is 12 cm and the height equals to 5 cm. Its area is. Now area of triangle, another one, when the altitude or the height is given, that is half into base into height. Okay, base is given as 12 cm and height is given as 5 cm. Then put the values and calculate which answer you are getting out of the four. You check it out. Then third question is, each side of an equilateral triangle measures 8 cm. We know that equilateral triangle means all sides are equal and all angles are equal. So here we will be dealing with the sides only. So all sides are equal. That means A equals to 8 centimeter. Now the area of the triangle is, now equilateral triangles area is what? We all know, that is root 3 upon 4A square. So now A square means here A is 8. So put the value of 8 square, whole square, do it. And then simplify which answer you are going to get. Check it out from out of the 4. Okay. Then next one, that is the fourth question, is the area of an equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 cm square. Its height is. Now equilateral triangle area is given. Okay, that is you know the formula of area, that is root 3 upon 4 A square equals to 81 root 3. So on simplification you will get the value of A. After getting A, use the its height is, you have to find, that is again use the formulas, that is half into base into height. Okay, so area of triangle both will be same. Already area is given as 81 root 3 equals to 81 root 3 cm square equals to half into base is same because all sides are equal. So value of A you will get. So you write there value of A, that is in the base, and height, altitude, you have to find H. So now H, on simplification you will get 81 root 3 upon what is the value of A you will get, you divide and see what answer you are going to get. Okay, out of the 4. After that, fifth question is, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 5:12:13. Let the side of the triangle be x. Then each side will be what? 5x, 12x and 13x. Its perimeter is 150. That means 5x plus 12x plus 13x equals to 150. So you will get the value of x. After getting the value of x, the sides will be 5 into that value of x. You will get one side. Then second side you will get 12 into what is the value of x, you put there. On multiplication you will get the second side, and third side will be 13 into x. So that will be the third side. After getting all the three sides, find the semi-perimeter, because perimeter is 150 means divide by 2 you will get semi-perimeter, that is S. After getting S and side A as this 5 value, 5 into x, and 12 into x will be B, and 13 into x will be C. So on putting the values of A, B, C and S, you will get the value area. Formula you all know, that is area equals to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So put the values of all, that is S, A, B and C. On simplification, what answer you are going to get out of this 4, you check it out, and that will be the correct answer. Okay. So after that, now we will have subjective type question. Now subjective type questions, first one, that is the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 144 cm. Find the area of the triangle. Same way here, like in MCQ you have done, let the side be x. Then each side will be 3x, 4x and 5x. So its perimeter is given as 144, that is 3x plus 4x plus 5x equals to 144 cm. So you will get the value of x. After getting the value of x, each side we can find, that is 3 into x, that is first side, second side 4 into x, and then third side will be 5 into x. After getting all the three sides, you that will be your ABC. Okay, three sides will be ABC, and the perimeter is given, so semi perimeter S we can find. After getting that, the area of the triangle formula we know, that is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now put the value of S, A, B and C. You will get the answer. After that, the second question is, two sides of a triangular field are 85 cm and 154 meter. Both are meter. Okay, 85 meter and 154 meter in length. Okay, two sides of a triangular field, both are given as measurement 85 meter and 154 meter in length, and its perimeter is 326. So we know perimeter means the sum of all the three sides. Two sides are given, third side let it be x. So 85 meter plus 154 meter plus x equals to 325 meter. So on simplification, you will get the value of x, that is the third side. After getting the third side, the three sides are known to you, perimeter is given 325, so you can find semi perimeter, that is 325 upon 2. So S will be known. After getting S, A, that is 85 meter, B is 154 meter, and C will be the value of x, that will be also in meter. So after getting A, B, C, the area of the field which is triangular will be square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. Then third question will be, the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisement. Okay, triangular wall shape is given for the flyover. Okay, for the advertisement means that wall is used for advertisement. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisements yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. That means that yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. So first we will find the area of the triangular wall, whose sides are A equals to 122 meter, B equals to 22 meter and C equals to 120 meter. So perimeter will be A plus B plus C, that is 122 meter plus 122 meter plus 120 meter. So that will be the perimeter. Semi perimeter will be that perimeter upon 2. So the sum of all these three sides upon 2. So whatever you will get, that will be the value of S. Okay. So S is known, A is known, that is 122 meter, B is known, that is 22 meter and C is known 120 meter. So after knowing S, A, B, C, then area of the triangular wall we can find as square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Okay. So after substituting the value of all these, we will get the value of area. After getting the area, we can find 1 meter square for 1 year, the charge is rupees 5,000. So how many meters we got area, that many, that 5,000 into that many amount number, that area, multiply that number with 5,000. Okay, so that much rupees, that is for 1 year. So we know that in a year we have 12 months. So 12 months, what is the earning? Okay, so what is the earning for 12 months? So now 12 months, that much earning. 3 months, so that amount upon 12 into 3. So on multiplication and division, you will get some amount. So that amount will be the rent that it pays. How much rent did it pay? It is given in the last. So that much amount rent it paid. Okay. So calculate that. Now fourth question is, find the cost of laying grass in a triangular field of sides 50 meter, 65 meter and 65 meter. Means both sides are 65 meter. One side is 50 meter. Means A, B, C is known. A is 50, B is 65 and C is 65. So we can find the area of the triangular field by using S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C formula. Here S we may get as 50 plus 65 upon 2. So that will be the value of S. So now putting the value of S, A is 50, B is 65 and C is 65. So on calculation of this, we will get the area of triangular field. Okay. So now the laying grass, the cost will be 1 meter square rupees 7. So area, how much we are getting, that many meter squares will be rupees 7 into that much. So what amount you will be getting, just check it out. Okay, multiply and see the answer. Now fifth question, find the area of a triangle whose two sides of which are 18 cm and 10 cm and the perimeter is 42. So now the two sides are given as 18 cm and 10 cm and perimeter is given as 42. So we know that perimeter means sum of all the three sides. Two sides are known to us. Then third side we can find by taking 42 minus within bracket 18 cm plus 10 cm. So on simplification you will get the third side, that will be in cm. After getting the three sides, that is A, B, C, and a perimeter is given 42. So semi perimeter will be perimeter upon 2, that is 42 upon 2 will be equals to 21 cm. So S is known, A is known, B is known, C is known. So can we find the area of the triangle? That is by using the formula square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Put all the values of S, A, B and C and calculate and simplify. You will get the area of the triangle. Okay. So do all these questions as homework, that revision questions, and if you will have any doubt, you may contact me. Okay.